Hey Libra, welcome to your monthly intuitive energy reading for this period. Hello to all of my December warriors, welcome back. And to any new viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Akia from December's Divine 555. I miss you guys. I hope everyone's doing fine. I'm going to give my little spiel like I've been given to the last few intuitive readings that I've done, because I have taken a little bit of time out for myself. We all know this has been a very, very intense shift and portal that we've all experienced during this time, especially with the full moon energy and Pisces, and yeah, a lot has been going on. Thanks for all of your support, first of all, your love, your comments, your donations, and bookings. I'm always here for all of you. Thanks for your patience with the horoscope readings and readings in general, okay? Like I was explaining, Pisces full moon energy, as well as Saturn going direct, and, many other placements in my natal chart. I've been affected, in a very impactful way. And I've had to take time out for myself, to rest, to regenerate, to focus, to go deeper within myself, and to really open myself up to my journey in particular, and being open to changes and shifts, and allowing myself to be guided into a higher plateau, so to speak, of my journey. And in turn, this is going to really change my life in many ways, as well as all of yours, because my purpose is to guide, to heal, to educate, to help the collective in general. And like all of you guys know, I am a licensed esthetician. I am a healer. I touch, I love, I heal for a living, focusing on skincare and other healing modalities. This particular journey that I'm on with you guys is something that I didn't choose for myself. It's part of my literal purpose. Okay, so that being said, like I said, really intense energy shift, had to take time out for myself. So also working on personal readings, and finishing up all of those. And so now I am finding a balance between career and family and you all. So I am doing my best to get the rest of the horoscope readings out before the end of the month. But like I said, I do not date my readings, okay? I do feel as though when you come across a reading that there's something in it for you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. It's good to have something out monthly so that you guys can feel as though you kind of do have something new to look forward to, or to kind of connect with, or really just reaffirm things that you are already experiencing or feeling. But if you came across this reading a month from now, 2 months from now, then it's something meant for you to see, or to know, or to clarify, okay? So that being said, we're going to kind of get into your reading here. I have been picking up on the energy, guys, of energy of curiosity. A lot of you guys are either looking deeply into someone in your energy field, or someone is definitely, I see binoculars, okay? I see someone looking very closely into someone, okay? Trying to find clarity. There's energy of some spying going on around your energy. This could be on social media. This could be literal stalking situation, okay, Libras? But that was confirmed by, during my pre-shuffle, the Page of Swords popped out twice, okay? Twice. Excuse me. I also feel a stuck energy of, and excuse me, I'm so sorry, like, because, yeah, my throat chakra is just kind of, like, all of a sudden just wanting to shut down on me. Someone is struggling to speak. Someone is struggling to voice their opinions, their feelings, their fears. Someone is tired of being confused, and someone has felt trapped, has felt just a real, I'm feeling a real tightness around my chest in this moment. So I know that somebody feels very much like they were trapped. They couldn't speak their heart. They couldn't follow their heart. And there's a real feeling of wanting to break free, to release anything that's holding them back. Okay, somebody really wants to be free. Okay. Somebody wants to be balanced. Somebody is searching for balance. Someone is struggling to balance their emotions. Someone is seeking harmony. Someone needs to get a checkup they've been putting off. Follow up on their health, eat better. Someone is anxiety ridden, okay? And someone should be taking time away from everyone if possible and just meditating, doing whatever you feel helps you just shut down, to just regroup, to breathe. Even just go away in the bathroom and just take some deep breaths and literally drink some water and just close your eyes and just count to 10. Whatever's going on, just do it and breathe deeply and just forget everything, even if it's just for 10 seconds. Okay, but someone's really struggling, wanting to leave behind a situation that isn't making them happy, that is stunting their growth, and they want to move forward to something that's more fulfilling. Okay, so yes, a heavy energy of onlooking. really heavy energy of spying. Okay, this is air energy here. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, okay? This is definitely air energy. This very well could be your energy, Libra, of just really being curious about something, really wanting to get clarity on a situation, or feel free to reverse the energies, guys. You all know we all have, you know, masculine and feminine energy within us, okay? Do not get hung up on the genders of the cards, okay? Feminine and masculine energy does not relate directly to a gender, a male or female, okay? So don't get hung up on the gender of the cards. When I do call out signs, it's just the energy that's prevalent in this particular reading, 11:11 on the clock, okay? But anyone can embody the energy of the sign that's being picked up through the cards, okay? Feel free to reverse the roles as they resonate. Him, her, she, he is just the masculine or feminine energy. So you or someone is heavily spying, possibly just trying to gain clarity, or it could be literal stalking situation, okay? But this is some prominent energy for you guys. Your overall energy is the Six of Swords, okay? Taking what you have and moving forward to something more fulfilling, wanting a change, wanting a solution, and moving towards security. Okay, sixes are all about balance. Okay, now also in your energy, okay, Two of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Maybe you are wanting to move toward a balanced connection, a soulmate connection. And maybe, Libra, you're trying to find this balance within yourself. Maybe you're trying to find harmony in a situation. With a soulmate, with family, health, overall energy as well. All right, typically I do an intro, I go over the overall energy that I'm picking up for you guys, and then we will draw your current energy, recent past to current, right on camera. But these cards came out for you guys and they really just shot out, and I felt like they were trying to tell us something here. Okay. So we'll get into this overall energy, okay? I'm sorry, this current energy for you, Libra, in a moment. First, we're going to pull from the Literary Oracle to tie in some overall energy for you guys for this particular reading. Bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Cups in reverse, okay? So there is some disappointment. There is some egotism surrounding possibly a Two of Cups connection. This is the Ace of Cups. I apologize, guys. Okay. But this is about balance. This is about an offering, a connection, a divine connection, or a divine opportunity for balance, a overflowing amount of love and compassion and purity for a specific situation or person or self, okay? Now, with this Knight of Cups in reverse, there is some sort of disconnect, okay? Like I said, the inability to advance, to move forward, or have fulfillment or inspiration, okay, regarding this love or this opportunity for love. There is jealousy or some sort of disappointment or some sort of egotism involving not being able to move forward or attain this gift from the divine. Libra, you could definitely have water in your chart, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You or someone is wanting to move on to a better opportunity or some sort of fulfillment. Someone's trying to leave a situation that's no longer serving them. This could be you, Libra, moving away from a specific situation or person.